Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set face recognition animation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Dynamic Effects. Here you can see the option of face recognition animation. You have to press on this. From here, you can choose your face recognition animation. After choosing one of them, you have to press on apply. That's it. So this is how to set face recognition animation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.